Hello everyone, you join us here in RUET, the Rajshahi University of Engineering and Technology, right? Yes? Mm-hmm. We've been here, we moved, last time we met each other we were in Dhaka. This time we are here and we've been here for 5 days working on our household filter, sourcing it with local materials. But we just wanted to give you a short update on what is going on here, what I've been up to, and also how our lives is.
How have our lives been going on the campus?
On the campus, indeed.
Well, we've been put into a guest house, which is a very nice building, also newly built. We were basically the only guests in a 4-story building for a couple of days, but now we have some guests frequently coming and going. Life on the campus is really nice. All the students are really welcoming, they're extremely curious, which is often interesting. You tend to get lots of, maybe groups of 3 or 4 guys coming up, asking how we're doing, where are you from, what's your mother's name, what's your father's name, can we take a selfie with you? We've been in more selfies, I feel like a bit of a celebrity actually, it's a bit strange, like loads of people asking for selfies, which is quite
even
fun.
Picture just yourself.
Just of us, without them being in it.
Never happened to me.
Yeah. So that's new. It's been a very it's a really lovely experience. People are very sweet.
Yeah. So basically, we spent the first couple of days meeting all the people we had to meet, professors, asking for permissions to work in the lab, because not all we needed some tools that are not just under civil engineering. So that's what basically the first couple of days passed by.
So we've gone to mechanical engineering and they have a wood workshop which has quite a lot of tools, not loads of tools, and it's kind of limited access to us, like actually making things with our hands, which seems so second nature when you're at TU Delft workshops. It's very restricted. You always have like a couple of supervisors looking at you. If you try to do something, they'll sort of step in and try to do what you're trying to do, and it's almost like there's too many chefs and not enough forks.
Yeah, it makes sense. Yes, it makes sense actually. And so next point is what we really achieved in this 5 days, in these 4 or 5 days we're here right now. And well, as you can see, we are here to build this water filter. So what we did was, right now we've been able to, we've sorted and looked for the materials we needed. So we went outside the university campus, we bought some bamboo, we got some actually bamboo makers involved, and we were able to create the first step of the filter, so the cabinet in a way, if you can say so.
Yeah. We've used no nails, we've just used bamboo, cutting the bamboo slots, and then using different types of rope to tie everything together, and also wire. So just anything that the local villagers would have on access to them without having to use any extra materials that would otherwise be, they'd have to leave the village to go get, for example. Which has been a challenge, but it's been a real challenge.
On top of that, then we were able to create the shelves, actually, with the help here the wood workshop. So the shelves are in place, and we also drilled the holes in the shelf. So let's say the overstructure is completed right now.
The frame's definitely finished. We just need to now build the rapid sand filter container and housing, as well as the sleeve for the water which would have the contaminated water in it.
Exactly. And on that concern, like in Delft, what we did, and also our aim here was to actually use, what we did in Delft was to use plastics machines, so recycled plastics. And the machines that we ordered are not here yet. So, but anyway, it's a very good opportunity because in the village itself they don't have that much plastic. So it's a good challenge for us to try to set up something that can be actually built with few money, like little amount of money, and very easily done by the villagers. So we're trying to setting up a plethora
Nice.
of different options. So yeah, we will. We went also to the village the other day to see how they, what they thought about it, what the solutions could have been.
We did a little participatory designing with them. They chopped a bamboo stalk down and chopped it into thinner pieces and experimented with some wire to try and make some housing, which is really interesting. Right now we're really kind of just eager to start working with our hands and start thinking through making, because we haven't actually had a chance to do that. So after this video we're going to go and we bought some bamboo, we've got some cement bags, we've got some plastic bottles, we've got some nails, we have a piece of bamboo to use as a hammer. It's the weekend at the moment, so we don't have access to the workshop, so we have really basic means to create, but we're going to try use a bit of creativity and ingenuity and see what we can come up with for the housing.
And also, like even trying different solutions from the it's not gonna look the best, but it's gonna be functional. And for example, like just using the simple plastic bag, as you said.
Yeah.
But also, it would be super nice to be able to experiment also with pottery, for example, creating a terracotta container or sleeves for the bottles. We'll see, and we have to do it ourselves a little bit, because we can actually think properly when we put matter down on the table and start working with our hands and experiment with it.
Yeah.
And what do we have something else to say?
As the machines aren't here yet, we figured that we first would engage the students and get them to start recycling some bottle caps for us, HDPE. And
especially because the machines most likely will arrive when we are not here anymore. So we needed to to create a community that was eager to participate and to be actually give them the right informations to be able to build these machines and use them properly. So that's what we did basically.
So yeah, 2 days ago we had a little we set up a Facebook group called Mission Plastic RUET, which you can follow and like if you like. And then we gave a presentation on why we're here, why plastic recycling, had a little exhibition of all the different examples that we made back in TU Delft. And the turnout was about 15 people, and then it was from 3 to almost 5:30. It was a very open discussion. The students were really interested and really keen to get involved and start making a little committee and giving people different responsibilities, which was really exciting to see. They seemed very enthusiastic. Professor Barry was also there, who was our main contact here at Civil Engineering. He was also very keen to get the students involved. And we've been following the group the last 2 days, and it's gone from 15 people all the way up to 40.
Yeah, right now it's 44.
44 students.
Just check.
And we keep having students stop us on campus and ask us about, what's this project you're doing? We'd like to get involved. How do we get involved? What's it about? And why are you doing it? We really want the students to sort of take advantage of the machines when they get here. They're all engineering students as well, so they're more than capable of actually assembling the machines. And just slowly start this plastic movement from the ground up, and clean up Bangladesh.
That's a bit bold, but we can try. So well, it's for this update is all from Rajshahi University. Back to the studio.